So can Google AdWords actually deliver a 95% cost reduction in terms of generating clients for a luxury brand? Most people say no, but today I am showing you how we did it. So if you thought that you would be building a world-class private dining restaurant with yachts in some scenic landscape like in the French Riviera or Dubai, and cash would suddenly start flowing, then you are very wrong. The truth is, so even the most elite brand fails if their Google AdWords are not engineered for luxury. Even if you are someone like Gordon Ramsay and your service is absolutely top notch, success would be far from you. So until your marketing gets resolved. So after all, money does not come from the world-class services, it comes from customers, and bringing high net worth customers to your storefront through Google search is a complex task. So complex that you should probably outsource it to the experts. So this is exactly what one of our customers did. So after his pay-per-click campaigns were bleeding money and generating a lead for 632 dirhams. 632, so can you imagine? So obviously he was frustrated, stressed and ready to quit the ads altogether, but then he found us and we fixed his broken engine. So in barely 3 months the lead cost dropped from 632 to only 32 dirhams. That's 95% cost reduction, and the lead flow increased by 1700%. Hi everyone, my name is Amy and I am from Softrix. We have helped over 5,000 clients scale, and their case study is a masterclass in why traffic is not equals to revenue. So our client was a classical French cuisine expert with Mediterranean roots and years of experience working alongside Michelin starred masters. However, he was not a marketer, so and the biggest mistake he made was that he tried to manage his campaign personally. So now Google support team did provide some guidance, but as many other business owners discovered, Google's support barely scratched the surface. Personally, he tried to run almost every single campaign himself. They are like smart campaigns, display ads, YouTube ads, you name it, and his trick did generate traffic for him, just not the right one. The ads he ran attracted irrelevant clicks from job seekers and the casual browsers, whereas his business was for the people who were high net worth individuals looking to book private dining with their loved ones. Upon auditing his website, he has realized 3 critical issues that would never let his team leads figure go up. First up, the ad copies did not clearly explain the luxury services. Their messaging was just too plain. The next is the phone number was not clickable, so even the site links were missing from the Google ads. So we knew that we had to start from the beginning, and so we did. We have created a new keyword list with proper match types, ensuring the ads would only hit the right people looking for private chefs, luxury catering, or even dining in the relevant locations like Dubai and the Riviera. We have also wrote the ad copies that emphasized exclusivity, discretion, and turnkey services. And lastly, we have used the negative keywords which blocked irrelevant traffic and prevented the wasted spend. These steps laid to groundwork for attracting an increased number of relevant audiences. What remained was implementing a performance max campaign that leveraged the audience testing, seasonal campaigns, and event-based targeting. We have realized that to lure the audience in for dining, we needed to associate a private party with a happy feeling. So we built campaigns around anniversaries, yacht parties, and corporate galas. matching the chef's actual service offerings. The last thing that remained was optimizing the bidding strategies that focus specifically on conversions rather than the clicks. Then came the time for results, and trust me when I say this, the initial results themselves ensured that we were on the right track. So in the very first week of optimizing the campaign, the chefs received 3 to 4 high quality leads. By the end of the month, he had 32 leads, and these were not the general audience. They were 32 real people looking to book private dining and events at his luxurious place. So with some tweaks here and there on the bidding strategies and testing newer campaigns, we have managed to hit 54 monthly leads. So even the cost per acquisition dropped significantly from 632 to 32 dirhams. Same chef, same service, it is just a better system. The client was so happy that the transformation, that his frustration turned into excitement. For him, this was not just about the numbers, it was finally about seeing his business represented in a way that matched the quality of his service. So here is what he has to say, the transformation he saw.
Hello, I am Chef François Savin. I'm from France and I just relocated to Dubai. When I arrived here, I was doing my Google ads and Meta ads by myself. I was struggling at the beginning. Then I contacted Abdilesh. Since now nearly 2 months, he's been managing my ad campaign, and the results are without words. We came from like nearly no leads to 2-3 leads a week. It's been really fantastic. Every time I send him a message, he will answer to me very fast. He will respond quickly, giving details. I cannot recommend it more. Please trust me, follow my advice, and work with him.
So now in this case study, we have highlighted a crucial lesson for marketing executives and businesses, that traffic alone would move nothing, but quality traffic does. Replace the broad keyword generic ads and the unstructured campaigns with the right strategy, clear messaging, and the ongoing optimization. This way, even the most niche luxury service can attract consistent and high quality leads. For anyone looking to work with us, here is the hook. So if you have felt like your pay-per-click ads are draining money without delivering expected results, you are not alone. Many businesses face the same challenge, but with Softrix, you don't just get the campaign management, you get a partner who understands your business, refines your messaging, and builds strategies that convert. So at Softrix, we don't just manage clicks, we engineer growth. Whether you are a private chef, a luxury brand, or any service provider seeking high value clients, we can transform your marketing struggle into our next success story. Click the link in the description to book a strategy call with my team. We will look under the hood of your campaigns and tell you exactly where the leaks are. So lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something valuable. One small request, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We have plenty more success stories to share. My name is Amy and I will see you in the next one.